Hi friends, today I am with a new video and this is all about the Call of Duty Platinum Camo. How you can get this, we will talk about each and everything in detail. Currently I am playing the game in my OnePlus 7T, which is my gaming smartphone, and you will get a different camos and I will here show you how to obtain the Platinum Camo. For that definitely you have to do a little bit hard work, you have to play simultaneously. The first thing is that you have to select the type of gun you want to use. Here I have done with all the SMG. As you can see, except GKS, I have converted each and every one with a gold camo. Every gun is a gold camo. How you will obtain, I will tell you, that is also very easy. But you have to select it. It may be a assault, it may be a sniper, LMG, SMG, shotgun, whatever it is. But you have to select a gun first. Once you have done this, then you have to go inside. In the camo there is rare, uncommon, and there are few more like sand camo, dragon camo, splinter camo, tiger camo, jungle camo, reptile camo, and the completionist camo, in which you will get gold and platinum one. How to obtain, I will tell you that also. Let's start the game. Currently I need one camo to unlock the gold for GKS, and you have already seen that I have unlocked all the gold for the SMGs. Now the objectives are very simple. There will be a specific number of target in the sand camo, dragon camo, splinter camo, tiger camo, jungle and reptile camo. This will include number of people to killed, and there will be full attachment with this number of people to be killed, and there will be a number given to you, and this number of people you should kill only with headshot. Then there will be without any attachment, with full attachment. These are the few things which will be given, and there will be long shots to be made. So here you can see in the top there is a long shot coming. So these kind of things you have to do. First you have to level up of the gun or any weapon. It may be a secondary weapon like a knife or a pistol or a Glock, something like that, or maybe in a SMG, LMG, whatever you are trying to do. But I will request you to get all the golds first, then you can only unlock the platinum. It is easy and I will show you here. So just follow the number of targets which are given to you. If you do that, it is very easy. Started playing the Call of Duty Mobile from season 5, and it has been definitely a very addictive game, especially in the lockdown time. And after the PUBG ban, this is the only one of the best graphics game you can get. If you ask me that how many matches I have played roughly 2500 MP matches, and talking about the BR, it is around 750. So a lot number of games I have played of COD, and Call of Duty is definitely addiction. You play each and every season, you get some achievements, you get some guns, there are some objective or tasks to complete to get some special weapons. So definitely it gets addiction, and you can complete that. It doesn't take much time to do that. You just have to keep the patience and also follow your game instinct. That is very necessary. How you have you will get the gold skin. No, you have to play a single game more to earn the gold camo. Now I'm going back here. You can see what are the achievements, what are the XP I've got. So there is one single and all the platinum are being opened in this. I will show you how. So let's first continue. After continue, let's go exit, and here's the tier. Now exit that number of kills you can see. Now I will go to the loadout. In the loadout, if you go and check the gun, in the gun you can see there's the gunsmith option, jump to the gunsmith option, the next thing you have to do is to go to the camo. In the camo, there as you can see, the gold camo is already open, and this is how it looks after applying the gold camo. But the thing is, we are here for the platinum camo. So this is the platinum camo, and this is how it looks. And you can't buy these skins. This you can only earn by playing. So right now I am showing you how to put the platinum skin in all my SMGs. So this is the rust, and after that rust there is chichom. I will change it, the gunsmith, go to the camo. And if you see the gun which is looking a little different, it is due to the attachment what I am using for different guns. So right now this is a PDW. In the PDW I go to the platinum skin, I apply it. Now PDW also done. Now next will be the Razorback. This is, I will tell you that in season 9 this is one of the best gun to play with. If you like this is kind of assault and SMG. It is a bridge between both of the guns. I really like Razorback for playing the game. Now coming here, you can see, and this is the MSMC, and after that there is HG40, and this is where we are changing the gold to platinum. So we have changed that also, going back from HG40. The next gun is the Pharaoh, and we'll change the camo also to the platinum. This is how I will change all the guns into platinum, and it can be done only by this. There is one more skin which is coming very soon, which is known as Damascus, and I guess it will be coming in season 10, but there is no official wording for it. But you definitely have to work hard, and I will tell you, you start with the gun which you use most. I mostly like LMG, SMG and assault. These are the three weapons always good to go for me, and that is how I play. And once you have done the platinum skin, it is like kind of the toppest achievement by doing a hard work. And definitely I will repeat, you can't buy this skin, so you have to play hard, you have to be patient, and you have to do a continuous gameplay. This will also increase your game skills. So this is all about in this video, how to obtain the platinum skin. If you guys have any question, just ask me, and I will try to answer them. This is Vivin signing off. Please like the video, share the video, and don't forget to hit the subscribe button below for us.